attend flying school for 18 months. It's normally in Britain, the United States of America, or Scotland. At the flying school, they attain the commercial pilot license and instrument rating. And normally they train on a propeller engine plane. Then the students attend a 4-month jet conversion course where they learn to fly a jet engine plane along with safety, emergency and cockpit procedure training. Then it's another 3-week course training on the Boeing 737 simulator before their touch and go experience. That is to land and take off an aircraft empty of cargo and passengers for the first time alone. After 5 months, the pilot can fly and sit in the cockpit behind the pilot and the co-pilot as second officer. After 300 sectors or flights, then we have a new first officer.
Pneumatic duct pressure can be monitored on this gauge on the P5 panel. What is the pressure required for an engine start? 30 psi. Decreasing by?
1,000.
How do we remember which voltage is used for which switch?
Well,
Over the triangle.
the over triangle, that's a simple idea to how to remember it.
Okay, so the triangle shape on the corner switches gives us 115.
Yes.
Okay, Mohammed Factory then. When we go to pressurization check, what are we checking, Mohammed?
We are checking the auto failure. For example, if we have auto and it fails, it goes to standby.
Okay. Jabir, when you go to the standby mode, what does this particular control here do?
Cabin pressure. At what cabin pressure do you want the cabin to be set in case of auto failure?
Saad, what does this control do?
Modulates the climb rate and descent rate of the cabin.
Okay, just some flight instruments.
Oil pressurizing into passing 20%, start level up, N1 rising, EGT, good flow, start to catch up.
Okay, lance the thrust levers for takeoff.
Vertical position, stabilization.
Okay. Reverse the C, just.
Press X.
Okay, landing gear retract. Pull back the thrust levers. Okay, landing gear to the down position. The thrust levers forward. Both of them. Okay.
What are you doing now in this course?
Well, it's a conversion course from the propeller aircraft to jet airplanes, much bigger airplanes and high sensitivities.
Are you looking forward to flying?
Oh, of course.
When will that be and how long?
Well, that'll be after 5 weeks from today, from completing this course, and the CPT training in Bahrain here takes about 3 weeks, and we'll be sent to landing Gatwick or Athens to do the simulator for a period of 3 weeks.
Then you will fly on your own.
Well, of course, it's not on my own. We'll be flying with the captain and
An
the
empty
first
aircraft.
officer. Well, yeah.
You're looking forward to flying your first flight?
Yeah, you bet. I am, yeah. I've been waiting for it for a long time.
I make it alone when love is gone. Still, you made your mark here in my heart. One day I'll fly away. Leave your love to
Recurrent training is very important for pilots. One of the training programs is on the simulator. The simulator is an electronic machine that enables the pilot to take off and land at any airport without actually leaving the ground. The pilot can, in theory and practice, convert to a TriStar without seeing the aircraft. Let us see what happens in the simulator? What training takes place over there? Finally, I'm here in a real simulator, a TriStar simulator. Let us see what actually happens here. Captain Mahmoud, what kind of training do you do here for the pilot in the simulator?
At the moment I'm conducting proficiency checks, and this is usually conducted every 6 months on all the Gulf crew. It takes about 4 hours duration time. What we are looking for that the crew during these 4 hours, they demonstrate their ability to handle all sorts of failures and emergencies that the airline in this day can think of. And their actions and reactions to failures are recorded. We've got some recording facilities, and based on their proficiencies, their license is signed on that basis. So you can say that each pilot are suspect to check every 6 months, and if they don't pass to a certain standard, then they have to be retrained and checked. This simulator, we can put a pilot anywhere in the world, like I can put him in Bahrain or America, and the actual instrumentation will represent the particular airfield.
What emergency will we show now?
The emergency that we can show is engine failures, like the pilot can take off with 3 engines normally. He can lose an engine during takeoff, either failure or fire. Yes.
Are you ready for an emergency, captains?
Yeah.
You are? Okay.
Okay, at the moment you can see that the crew has got their takeoff clearances. They're rolling down the runway, and at some stage during the takeoff I'm going to give them a failure, and this failure will be an engine failure 100, and we'll see how the crew will react to it. They will have a failure now.
You'll have to see how I will react to it.
They will. Day 1, rotate. Engine fire. This is engine fire that we have.
Gear up.
And the aircraft is flew with 1 engine is on fire at the moment.
Restate emergency.
Okay, engine fire number 1. Number 1 is in fire.
Carry out engine fire drill number 1.
Okay, number 1 throttle. Number 1. The crew is carrying out an engine fire action number 1. Number 1. One spin number 5. Okay, fire photo. Take time.
Cancel the noise.
Okay, at this stage the crew has secured that engine fire action, and they have secured the fire on that engine. Fire is out. They can either continue a takeoff on 2 engines if it was a short route to a destination, or come back and land safely at the airport.
On what basis would they decide to come back or go on?
This depends on a lot of factors: the weather at the departure airfield, the weather at destination, the length of the flight, the maintenance facility. We have got a maintenance facility in Bahrain, and it's a long flight. They want to go to London, so they sort of it's not feasible to continue on 2 engines to London,
Yes,
which is
I think
6
so.
hours.
Yes.
So we'll see what the captain
Okay,
says.
let us see.
I haven't said
No.
anything now, so
Okay.
let's see what he will say.
All right.
Golfer 006, what is your intention?
Well, 006 would like to come back for a landing.